wow nè ó nè cục bông đà chích đấy sẽ tầm miếng xanh mà có ba cục bông đà về đây nắng nè nè mưa mưa ó thì thử chứ nè hai quý hà tôi lú mấy này tôi lú lỡ lỡ này tớ lờ 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 mà ồ lú phăng nó lú cho xiết tao nạm ấy là lờ ồ này nó hiểu bàn xịt muối nữa nè wow lấy vô teo hơi bấy rồi teo hơi lớn nữa đi teo với nhau nè ồ cái bài chích teo anh ta teo với nhau nè con này và này chưa nó khó chết đâu nè ô này tôi nhỉ tôi wow ở dưới cái lối nữa nè chút lọp nữa thì làm nó dưa nè wow lối này gặp piton nữa nè ồ buông lối nè nó này buông lối à nè ồ lối mình tên nào nhỉ thì các bạn ô anh này ạ là đây dương mới tiên ô nó pin đi thế mà sáng ấy cái sáng đấy bà đây như thế nào nhỉ ồ chứ đó sang này đừng anh ta thui ca ấy do một bà con la thiệt nó sang ấy anh thư ca hả kì thư ca ban lôi cha chẳng ấy gì tết wow ôi ba này ô này được đây rồi em được đây vú nè mà chứ ngặt chặt đây chạy ở thủ bùa kia on dạp món tỏ giờ là chặt đây nha với nhá mà chặt đây lấy nè ô này cũng phải chặt mơ mà khó quá nè ô anh ấy cái nào phải tia lái nữa nè cái làng trẻ anh ấy nhé vì làm nhưng làng các bàn Ôi chọt lại lan là đi muối. Tê 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 tê. Wow, bạn phi lá nào đi này. Cho nó cho ăn phi lá nào nè. Ô, đang làm đúng rồi chứ nào.
A match between two players who are playing to be number one. The ball has arrived in mid-field. His first shot. What a goal, right in the corner. A fireball is... It is 1-1. We thought it was the referee, but it was a superpower. The ball hit the post and he became invisible. And the ball is in the net. He's sending high balls to his opponent. Quite a bad effort by the player. He's sending rockets to the other goal. Hats off to that amazing goal. He's trying to score over the other player. An amazing header. This definitely looks like a basketball game. Goal, goal, goal. The match is now 4-3. Into the penalty area. The fans are going wild. Perfect strike. He's scored plenty from there before. What a shot that was. He's sending high balls to his opponent. It seems that both players... Now that's what I call a goal. He's trying to score over the other player. He saved that one too. Goal! He aims for the top corner. The match is halfway through. Hats off to that amazing goal. Suddenly he became a giant... Well, this is how you use the giant player power. A nice header. What a shot that was. The goal difference doesn't look to be decreasing any time. The goal came with a brilliant header. The gap isn't that big, so the match is not over yet. The mobility... Goal! The ball is in the net. Only 30 seconds left until the final whistle. He's trying to score from the ground, and he scores. He returned the ball brilliantly. A shot blasted towards the right corner. He headed the ball towards the goal. He's jumping non-stop to confuse his opponent. Hats off to that amazing goal. He sees the goal and shoots. That goal was one of a kind. He's determined to close the gap. What amazing skill. A goal now would cause an earthquake in the stadium. He tried his luck with a header. Goal! Are we really going to see a legendary comeback? The ball is never in one place, and the match is over. It'll be a tough match in which superpowers will decide the outcome. The ball is up in the air. He used his superpower early in the match. What a speedy goal in the early... He used giant player. He cleared the ball with his head. A rising shot. The ball meets the net. He lit up the goal with that kick. He's keeping the ball on the ground to confuse his opponent. He's jumping and... Unfortunately, he scored an own goal. He tries another low shot. The match is intense. First the bar, then the... What spectacular goals we're witnessing in this match. He's trying to score over the other player. What a finish. He scored right in the top. Double goal. His opponent is befuddled. He's forcing his opponent to shoot from the ground. The match is 4-3. He's scored plenty from there before. The goalpost saved the goal. Is he going to score an own goal? With that own goal, he's riled up his own fans. He aims for the top corner. The match is halfway through. Both players want to win this match. Great header to deflect the ball. A good shot will bring a goal. Exactly like a four. Incredible goal. Brilliant. Both sides are head to head. We can see an equalising. That's a legendary goal. The minute we say it's over, extra time is used. Only 30 seconds left until the final whistle. He literally sealed. The fans are booing. What an unfortunate own goal. He's sending rockets to a perfect strike. Right where the goalposts meet. He headed the ball towards the... He scores with an amazing header. He missed the goal by a mile. And it's a goal! A rising shot. An amazing header. Now that's what I call a goal. It's been a stressful match. A shot from the air. Amazing goal. He takes a shot from the ground. All eyes are currently on the referee. He's defending very... And with the final whistle, the match has come to an end. Both players take to the pitch with victory in their sights. The match, he plans to get ahead with... Is that Sub-Zero? The ball is frozen. He took advantage of a superpower. The player must be feeling really cold now. A low shot. The ball brushed the crossbar. He tried his luck with a header. He's just... The fans are definitely not happy with this own goal. He's constantly going for kicks over the other player. Goal! The ball is in the net. A rising shot. It's a goal. What a finish. A powerful kick. The gap can still be closed. The ball bounced off the goalpost. Quite a bad effort by the player. Great header to deflect the ball. He's scored plenty from there before. Brilliant save. What brilliant defending. Amazing goal. The goals are coming non-stop. It's very hard to predict the outcome of the match. He aims for the top corner. 45 seconds have passed in the match. The goal difference doesn't look to be... Goal! 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 He sees the goal and shoots. Goal! The ball is in the net. He's sending high balls to his opponent. The gap is quite small and it can still be closed. Only 30 seconds left until the final whistle. He's buried the ball in the back of the net. A powerful kick. Is it a goal? No, off the crossbar. The ball blazed over the bar. Into the penalty area. The ball meets the net. He slightly curves the ball with... Hats off to that amazing goal. We're in the final 10 seconds.